5 ingredients. Super easy.
Boppin' blue raspberry.
Just kidding.
Hi, welcome to Friends Test Kitchen. I'm Catherine.
And I'm Gina.
So today we're going to do a recipe that we saw that was trending on Twitter. It's called a rainbow prism cake and it's beautiful.
So we're going to add the water, the milk, the sugar, and the agar powder. So this is going to be the milk base, and you just want to get it to boiling. So I don't have a cake pan, but I have this nice big bowl that I think if the colors come through when we're done, it'll show, presentation-wise, it'll still look pretty and you can see it. All right, and then you just put this in the fridge and let it cool, so it'll take about 30 minutes. All right, it's time to do the rainbow layers. And it's super easy. So it's the same ingredients, except instead of the milk, we're gonna add more water. And then this is the part where you add a little bit of the juice, and that's where the colors come in.
Okay.
We're going to add, again, the water. This time it's gonna be a little bit more. Can't forget the sugar. I'm using a mango for my fruit juice. So I'm using fruit juice, Catherine's using the syrup. We'll see how the difference is of color and flavor.
Yes.
And then you can't forget the agar powder. And I forgot to mention that you can find it on Amazon. This one I got at Whole Foods, and I'm told that you can also get it at Walmart. So it is accessible. If you have an Asian market nearby, I'm sure they'll have it there as well.
Yes, and I got my snow cone syrup from Amazon too. And it comes in a pack of 4 of different colors. So I'm gonna do a couple colors. I'm using the Boppin' blue raspberry.
Yours sounds tastier.
Well, you're going the healthier route with your mango.
But this is the step you're going to take for each additional color that you want to add as part of your rainbow prism.
I don't know, from the pictures that I saw online, Gina, I don't know if you saw the same one I did, but it looked so pretty. It was just glistening and it was almost too pretty to eat. So I'm really interested because sometimes things look better in a picture than they taste.
And that's why we're here, to let you know if it's something you can pull off
Yes.
at home.
It'll probably be
Or if it's just
Instagram
a
worthy,
line.
but
Just kidding.
but it's pretty enough that I'm willing to take a chance to make it at home. We're gonna let this boil. We're going to chill it, just like we did with the milk layer.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna make a couple more layers just so that we could have a nice rainbow effect. And I think that the step after everything is chilled is that we're supposed to cut little cubes out of each different color. And
Yeah, the
we're gonna
prism
stack
part.
on top of
That'll
the
be
milk
fun.
layer. All right, the jelly is ready and set. We're gonna start assembling this.
Catherine,
Yes.
so my jelly is not jelly yet. It's not set. I knew it would take longer because it was thicker, because I put it in this type of container. But
Yeah.
it's been in there at least an hour, and I'm surprised at how
Yeah.
not set it is.
Where's your milk base? Can I see it? I mean, here's mine.
Yeah. Can you see it
Yours
swirling?
is still watery.
As if it never went in the fridge.
We made it at the same time. We used the exact same measurements, and we put it in the fridge at the same time.
And even if mine took longer,
This is-
like yours, the recipe said 30 minutes, so I think, okay, maybe mine would take an
Yeah.
hour, just because it's
Yes, that's why we waited.
thicker.
Yeah. Okay, guys, it's just Catherine. Gina's never set. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my prism cake and show you how I'm gonna assemble it, and then we'll have a taste test. All right, Gina, it is all assembled and ready to be cut and tasted. I wish you were eating it with
I'm
me.
happy.
So I've got blue raspberry, orange, and grape. I'm a little nervous because there's really nothing really holding it all together, and I feel like as soon as you cut it, it's just gonna spill. I think there was one step that's missing from this recipe. but we're gonna do exactly what it says.
Oh, to like seal it in?
Yeah, I always feel like we should have made an extra, it didn't say to do it, but almost like we needed an extra clear gelatin on top just to seal it after we decorated it.
Yeah, because in the picture it looks like the colored layer is encapsulated within
Yes.
the whole thing.
But
it doesn't look like just a bunch of pieces on top.
But it doesn't tell you to do it, so.
It's in the recipe.
This might be a fail, or it might
Right,
not. Let's try it. You don't think this is gonna happen?
You're struggling. Oh no.
A little bit. Okay, okay. Okay, just as I suspected. Fell apart. I think it really did.
Alright, let's see it.
It really did need that extra layer, but oh well.
Well,
That's what it looks
you
like.
got farther than I did.
Let's taste this and see if by putting that extra layer on, it would be totally worth it.
Wait. How do you think it'll taste? Like, what's your expectation?
It's gonna taste like the Jell-O containers that you get at the grocery store with like the cream mixed in.
Yeah. Okay. And then tell us how it actually tastes.
Tastes almost like that.
Well, since the prism effect didn't quite come out.
So guys,
really at all. Mine didn't even meld and then or firm up, and then Catherine's it just like broke apart. It didn't even stay. I think if you're trying to do something cool with Jell-O or symmetry, I think the old-fashioned way of just getting different flavored gelatin powder and layering them, or being creative using those things, I think probably is the best bet. Because I've done the layers and the rainbows with no problems, and those always work out well for me.
The idea was great. It was pretty, very Instagram worthy, but our take is, I think it's not worth it. So, good thing that we did it.
Did you give a score?
Yeah, so.
Did you give a score on taste?
Oh yeah, I think it's like, I'll be nice, a 3. So,
like we kind of know it wasn't.
Yeah, so
too good, but
I give it a 7, 6, 7 being nice. But hey guys, this is the whole point of Friends Test Kitchen, right? We test recipes so that you don't have to.
Yes.
This wasn't the best, outcome. Gina's never set. Mine set but fell apart. This is why we do it. We do it so that you don't have to. We save you the time. We save you the money. And Gina and I have some fun, along the way. And we'd like you guys to join us so that we can do more of these. And hopefully we do better ones next time. So thanks for joining us.
Yeah, join us again.
Make sure you like and subscribe so we can make more of these videos. And we'll see you guys next week. Comment what you want us to make next. And we'll be back. Bye, friends.
All right. Bye.